Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. If you're looking for something spicy and easy to make, then this chicken roast is perfect for you. This chicken roast is my absolute favorite, especially with Kerala parota, but it also goes well with chapati, naan and even rice. To make this chicken roast, first we are going to marinate our chicken with some salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder and a squeeze of fresh lime. We are going to mix all these ingredients well and let it rest for about 20 minutes. When I was a kid, Sunday meant non-veg day at home. And oh my god, the excitement was next level. We'd wait the whole week counting down to that special meal. But now, non-veg is on our plate almost every day. So that Sunday thrill is like almost gone. Anyways, this curry is like a good old memory. It takes me straight back to my childhood vacations at my grandma's place. I don't know exactly what masala she used. Maybe her own some secret masala mix. But this curry is almost 90% close to what she makes. The taste, the smell, something about it just feels like home. This chicken roast tastes best with coconut oil. So into a pan we are going to add some coconut oil, then add curry leaves. Then we are going to add the onions and we are going to saute them until they are nice golden brown. Then we will add some chopped ginger and garlic. Now sauteing them for a minute, we are going to add chopped tomatoes. And then next goes in the coriander powder and chicken masala. We'll saute them well for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then we are going to add our marinated chicken. We are not going to add any water. We are going to let the chicken cook in its own juices. So we're going to close the lid and let it cook on medium flame. We need to stir it every few minutes to make sure it cooks evenly. In about 15 to 20 minutes, the chicken will be perfectly cooked and our flavorful roast will be ready. This chicken roast also goes very well with white bread. It's one of my favorite combinations. Do let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to enjoy chicken. Do you like it with chapati, roti? Do you like it with bread or with some rice? Now once our roast is ready and just before switching off the stove, we are going to add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of freshly ground pepper powder. Do give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more simple and interesting recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.